StrandSpeed Trading App Review 2025 Pros and Cons, honest and unbiased. The surprising truth about trading apps is that speed changes everything, and Strand is built around that idea in 2025. But does faster really mean better? Strand is a mobile trading app focused on quick execution and simplified trading for beginners. It supports assets like forex, indices, and commodities with a clean game-like interface. One major pro is usability. Trades execute quickly, and the app reduces complexity for new traders. Educational content is built in, helping beginners understand market basics. However, most people get this wrong. Beat trading increases risk. The simplified interface can encourage emotional decisions, and fees are embedded in spreads, which aren't always obvious. Another downside is limited advanced tools. Experienced traders may feel constrained by the lack of deep charting features. In conclusion, Strand is best for beginners who value simplicity and speed. Used carefully, it can be a learning tool. Used recklessly, it can amplify losses just as fast as gains.